No coding skills, no employees, no starting capital, just a laptop and an internet connection. Sounds like clickbait, right? That's exactly what I thought too. So today, I'm going to test this myself with one rule. I cannot spend a single dollar, not on tools, not on ads, not on anything. Just free AI tools, my time, and 30 days on the clock. If this actually works, it could be the easiest side hustle anyone watching this can start today, regardless of how much money you have. If it doesn't, well, at least we'll find out together. Let's start the clock. Before we dive in, I set myself 3 non-negotiable rules. Rule 1, $0 spent. Every tool, every platform has to be free. Rule 2, no existing audience or following. I'm starting completely from scratch, just like most of you watching this. Rule 3, I have to document everything, the wins and the failures. So this is a real test, not a highlight reel. Okay, let's get into day 1. The first challenge was figuring out which side hustle to actually build. There are dozens of options: AI content writing, print on demand, social media management, faceless YouTube channels, the list goes on. But I wanted something that met 3 criteria: low starting effort, something AI could genuinely accelerate, and something with real demand. After digging around, I landed on AI-assisted freelance content creation, specifically helping small businesses with short-form video scripts and social captions. Here's my reasoning. Every small business needs content. Most of them hate writing it, and AI tools have gotten shockingly good at first drafts. This felt like the sweet spot between actually achievable in 30 days and not just another oversaturated dropshipping video. With zero budget, I needed to stack only free tools. Here's exactly what I used. For writing and idea generation, I used a free tier AI writing assistant to draft captions, hooks, and scripts. For visuals, I used a free AI image generator to create simple graphics and thumbnails. For finding clients, I didn't pay for any lead gen tool. Instead, I used free business directories and simply searched local business Instagram pages that looked like they needed content help. For outreach, just my own email and Instagram DMs. No fancy CRM, no automation software. Total cost so far? $0. Rule 1, still intact. This is where things got real. I made a list of 50 small businesses that had inconsistent or outdated social media content. Local cafes, gyms, boutique shops, that kind of thing. I used AI to draft a personalized outreach message for each one, referencing something specific about their page, not a generic copy-paste template, because those get ignored instantly. Here's the message structure I used. Compliment something genuine about their business, point out one specific content gap, and offer a free sample post to prove the value before asking for anything. I sent 50 messages. Let's be honest, I expected most of them to be ignored. By day 5, I'd heard back from 6 businesses. 3 said no thanks, 2 didn't respond after the first reply, but 1, a local coffee shop, said yes to a trial. This is where the AI tools had to prove themselves. I used the writing assistant to draft 5 caption options in the coffee shop's brand voice based on examples from their existing posts. Then I used the free AI image generator to create 2 simple promotional graphics. Honestly, the first drafts weren't great. AI output usually needs editing, not just copy-pasting. So I spent time refining the tone, cutting the generic corporate-sounding phrases, and making it sound like an actual human wrote it. After about 2 hours of work total, I delivered the content package. The owner loved it, said it saved her a full afternoon, and asked what I'd charge going forward. This was the first real proof that the model could work. Now, here's where I had to make a decision. I could charge by the hour, but that caps how much I can earn. Instead, I priced based on value, a flat monthly rate for 4 content packages a month. I offered her a rate of $150 a month, which felt fair for both sides. She said yes immediately. With this small win, I reached out to a few of the other businesses who hadn't responded, mentioning that I'd just helped a similar local business save hours on content. 2 more replied. 1 converted into a paying client within the week. By day 20, I had 3 paying clients on the same model. So let's talk numbers, because that's what actually matters here. Total spent over 30 days, $0. Total clients acquired, 3. Monthly recurring revenue from those 3 clients, $420. Now, I know $420 a month isn't life-changing money, but remember, this was built with 0 starting capital, 0 existing audience, and maybe 10 to 15 hours of work a week. If I scaled this to 10 clients at the same rate, that's $1,400 a month recurring using free tools and a laptop. The real unlock here isn't the $420, it's proving that the barrier to starting a side hustle has basically disappeared. You don't need money to start anymore. You need time, consistency, and a willingness to send the first 50 messages even when most of them get ignored. So, was this too good to be true? Not exactly, but it wasn't instant either. It took real outreach, real rejection, and real effort to refine the AI output into something people actually wanted to pay for. If you want to try this yourself, the tools I used are completely free and available to anyone right now. If you'd like to see a follow-up video where I try to scale this to $2,000 a month, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make it. If you want to see more ways to build income from scratch, I've got another video right up there. But don't click it just yet. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth. I'll see you over there.